Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the lesson number 3, that is non-finite verb. Okay, in this lesson we will discuss about the various kinds of non-finite verbs and what is the difference between finite and non-finite verbs and other things. Okay, in previous lesson we have already learned about the verbs and its another two kinds, that is the transitive and intransitive verb, and in this lesson we are going to learn about the finite and non-finite verbs. So you take out lesson number 3 in your book. Here we can find that there are all total 3 kinds of non-finite verbs. Okay, you can understand there are all total 3 kinds. So if you understand the non-finite verb nicely, then we can understand the finite verb. Means non-finite verb, except non-finite verb, which verbs are there, that all are the finite verbs. Okay, first of all there is that infinitive. Okay, infinitive is the first kind of non-finite verb. So what is the infinitive? Infinitive means 2 plus verb. Any 2 plus verb means verb adding with 2. Okay, suppose I am saying he went there to play. Here 2 verbs are there. One verb is went and another verb is play. So here you can say that he went there to play. That means to play is the non-finite verb. Okay, and this is called the infinitive also. Okay, any kind of infinitive or infinite, that is called the non-finite verb. Secondly will come that verb participle form. Here you can see that verb participle form means here 3 kinds, means we can see a verb has 3 forms, that is the present form, past form and past participle form. Here if a verb adding with the participle form, that signifies that it is the non-finite verb. Suppose I am saying here that is go, went, gone. Here go is the present form, went it is the past form, and last one, that is the gone, so it is the participle form. Means if you find a verb with its means participle form, that is the non-finite verb. So after that there is 2 kinds of non-finite verbs, that is the infinitive, that is 2 plus verb. If you find any kind of 2 plus verb, that is the non-finite, and if you find any kind of participle form of verb, that is also the non-finite. And third number, that is also called that verb plus ing, or we can say that is the gerund. If you find a verb which is a gerund, that is also a non-finite verb. Okay, there is silly difference between the non-finite verbs, that is that starting with ing, that ends with ing, and another kind of verb that has the ing, gerund. Gerund means verbal noun. Silly difference is there, but if you understand that verb plus ing means you don't take the continuous tense in this case. Okay, you always take just verb plus ing. Okay, such as swimming is good for health. This kind of verb, all these verbs are the non-finite. So here is some of the non-finite verbs that we have understood, that non-finite verbs are not the actual verbs. These are like the helping verbs. Means these are not the proper verbs. As main verb works, such as if we say that he goes to school, here goes, it works as the proper verb. This is called the finite verb. Okay, but here 3 types of non-finite verbs are there. That is the 2 plus verb, verbs participle from, and verb plus ing. Here these 3 kinds of verb is called the non-finite verb. Except these 3 kinds of verb, you will find every kinds of verb, that is the finite verb. Okay, if it is verb, then it will be the finite verb. It means every kind of tenses, you can see there are all total 3 kinds of tenses, and every forms of these tenses, that will be the finite verb. And except that this is the means non-finite, there is the difference between non-finite and finite. Finites are the particular or proper verb, whereas non-finites are not the particular or proper verb. There are some differences between particular and non-finite verb. A non-finite verb does not denote the complete meaning of the verb. There is some difference between the non-finite and finite, which you can understand by seeing. Means it always works as a proper verb. A finite verb always works as a proper verb, but a non-finite verbs, okay, does not signify a proper meaning. Such as if I say that swimming is good for health or running is good for health, these 2 verbs is used as the non-finite verb. Here you cannot say that whether this is verb or noun. Okay, this is actually verbal noun or gerund. In this way you can differentiate. Means he went there to buy some vegetables. Okay, here to buy, here actual verb is went. Here 2 verbs you can understand here, that actual verb is went, that is the finite verb, and another verb is there to buy, that is the non-finite verb. Okay, in this way you can understand these lessons. Okay, here some exercises has been done. You try to do this exercise, and in the next page, after 2 pages, you can see that there are some boxes are there where you can find different types of different types of verbs and their past form and participle form is given. Okay, you do this do learn this all, means past form, a verb, what is it meaning, and past form and participle form. You learn this, and thereafter what you will do today, means try to solve the exercises, and if you can't do, then tomorrow I will help you to do the exercises. Thank you.